Wagwan people, remember to live good and stay out of trouble.
Wagwan people, make sure to live good and stay out of trouble.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Good morning, wherever you are. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, Lionfoot, man of peace. Zine. Yes, I must say give thanks to life. You know, Thursday, Ben Johnson Day. Big up all who have fight for survival and who have fight it out there. It's wicked out there, but stay firm and strong in the mind. Keep trying, never give up. See? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell if you haven't done so yet. I don't know, big up the people who are active and the inactive one on the platform. Yes, I know I haven't been active as much as usual. From the other day, I've been busy. You know what I mean? But yeah, big up Lionfoot, same way. Big up everybody, all of my fans, them. Coming up in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you, say, this is why I always say, think before you act. Think twice before you make that choice. Zine, 2 murder convicts, tell the judge, say, they were foolish. They had no reason to take out them 2 American mercenaries there. Zine, in Jamaica. And yes, still, them say, this show, you say, sometimes people bad mind for nothing, hurt for nothing, and take and dirt for nothing. Zine, we are forward back after the break.
I watch them on the Jamaica represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Remember, don't forget to like and share. Your support means a lot. Help the channel grow. See? Yes, man, and you don't know when I force you to subscribe and click the bell, but please, I have now 1 like and 1 comment. Help the algorithm so the channel can be discovered. You know what I mean? Yes, we don't know if I'm active in the comment section, but a 1 comment can just big up our Lionfoot. You see me? Or even hope, or break free, anything. Just 1 comment. Help the channel, the algorithm, YouTube, put it out there. See? So big up all of the supporters them. So coming up in this normal viewers and subscribers, yeah, these 2 men, Zine, I tell the judge say yo them were foolish to do such things. As you may say, so this is what the article I say. We did it for no reason. Murder convict tells court slaying of missionaries were foolish. Zine, were foolish, you know. I wonder if they mean it or not. And them just try reduce your sentence where them go get them time behind bars. You see me I say? But that can't bring back the lives of the men them. You see me? Dwight Harvey, the 33-year-old farmer who is serving life for the 2016 double dirtings of Americans missionaries Randy Ansel and Harold Nichols on Tuesday in a seeming attack of conscience, claimed that he and his co-accused, Andre Thomas, who is now on trial for slayings, had no motive for killing the men. Zine, so 33-year-old farmer, you know, one of them is a farmer. You see me I say? Channel Star. Go on do your farming, man. What caused you to go and do that? Bad mind, red eye. If you had no motives, no reason to go and dirt the 2 American mercenaries them, why would you go do that? That can't bring back the 2 men them, the family, grieving family them, of the men them. Zine, so that could have been me, that could have been you, that, you know what I mean, male or female. But in Jamaica, them don't think. Them just see you come from foreign and feel like them can rob you or do anything. You know what I mean? Just bad mind and greed. You do your farming and stick to your farming. Why you go and kill men them? We don't support them thing around here, so I will say stop the crime and violence. But this show, you know, them are gonna get dash way. Them are gonna get dash way. And I hope the judge make them an example. You know what I mean? Because you saying you had no reason and you were foolish. When you try look sympathy and I sympathize on yourself, try reduce the sentence. But I hope the judge do the right thing and give them the right sentence they deserve, because killing someone is not right. It's not right to take a life. You see me I say? It's not right to go and hurt people and bad mind people for them one. You see me? Yeah man, them things are not right, man. We don't support them things around here, you see it? We say stop the crime, we say think before you act. Think twice before you make that choice. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know, sometimes you're there in Jamaica, not even Jamaica alone, Trinidad, you know, Haiti, Africa, any part of the world, even the UK here. My neighbor lost his son about 2 weeks now for his own bike. Just buying bike, and I rider come home and the youth them lay with him and I try attack him for taking bike. Him ended up put up a resistance and him lose him life. 2 stab. Zine lost his life innocently, quiet youth. So at the same sort of thing, it's not just Jamaica alone, but you know, it's not right. Is it my viewers and subscribers? It's not right. It could have been me, you know what I mean? It could have been me, it could have been you, or somebody for you, or somebody for me. These 2 men deserve to be behind bars for a long time, you know, and them need to bring down harsher punishment. I'm not gonna say the hanging thing, but them need to bring down harsher punishment for the people who are going to take people's life. You see me I say? Especially for no reason, because this is for no reason. This is sad for no reason. Jano style. I tell my viewers and subscribers. Let me know anything still. I don't know. A whole heap of love and blessings, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell, and be careful wherever you are in the world, you know, especially in Jamaica. Just be careful and keep a third eye when you got your cash machine, when you have your phone in your hand, when you have work. You never know who is watching. You see it? Yeah man, the Lion Foot man of peace, man. A whole heap of love and blessings. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. I bring this forward for have a little reason. You can let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember, a like and a comment. Take a long time for one to type. You see me? Just a big up Lion Foot or share your opinion if you want to. The more you interact in the comment section, and the more YouTube put the video in the algorithm for some people to discover and see. You see me? And can get the reasoning. You see it? And once again, stay safe, be careful out there. Think before you act, stay out of trouble. Yeah man, and the man of peace, man. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, blessed love to all of my fans, all who up on the channel, all who watch it. If you watch it now or later, you know what I mean, or if you know somebody who wants to hear this message, you can share it to them. Please and thanks. Remember, this channel is for us, and I am nothing without you guys. Zine, give thanks for your support. Once again, Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Rastafari, blessed love, and whatever your aspiration is and whatever your desire in life, just believe and keep trying and work hard for it. See, one day, things must get better. Yeah, man. I am a Rick, man. Big up on yourself. Peace and love. Cool shots. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yeah, man. And just let me know what you think in the comment section. Still, see? Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Rastafari.
Me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the pack up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.